Hi, this is Kat Wolf, and today I would like to talk to you about social media marketing system that was developed by Brian Campbell and why I would recommend it to anyone who is looking to learn how to make money on the internet. First of all, Brian offered an extensive amount of video training and information on how to use Facebook or social networking to make money. And he definitely knows what he's talking about because he made well over $10,000 on Facebook in just a little over 2 weeks. So for me, the social media networking system it has given me a clear step-by-step plan that I can use to achieve the goals that I have. And through his teachings, I have finally been able to determine a product that I can develop using my own skills in addition to the expertise of others. Now, Brian has covered all the bases as far as the type of learning that people need, and his program offers videos, audios, PDF files, live conference calls, and question and answer sessions. Now, Brian has made a lot of promises along the way, and I will have to say that he has over-delivered on everything, giving things that we never could have imagined. So I know that he has a real desire to help people, and that's one of the great things too. When I first joined him, I got a personal phone call at my home. Now, not too many people do that, so I would highly recommend the social media marketing system. And pay attention, head on out there right now, take some action, and I think there's some big news coming this weekend. So I hope to connect with you soon.